Global markets continue to remain in an upbeat mood. The expectations are building around a further round of stimulus from the US Fed and the US government, and the weekend can see actualization of this expectation. Asian markets, including Indian markets, are a bit jittery after having moved up quite a bit. Some amount of consolidation is happening in Indian market at around 11,000 levels. This is good for the market. Once after the market has moved up quite a bit, consolidation actually builds the stage for a next level of upward movement. As far as domestic cues are concerned, the RBI policy which came out earlier this week was as per the market expectations, and there were no negative surprises. Non-extension of the moratorium was a welcome step. So was the opportunity of one-time restructuring which is being provided to lenders. Both are welcome steps and market welcomed this move. There are expectations around some stimulus coming from the government and such stimulus to stimulate actually the demand in the economy. As and when that happens, there can be a further upward movement in the market. Corporate results by and large have been as per the market expectations, and the markets have rejoiced that. At this stage, investors should focus on counters and slowly build their portfolio for long term. We continue to believe there are significant opportunities still in Indian market. Consumer durables, particularly the ones having excellent rural distribution network, should be looked into. Similarly, some leading IT companies as well as IT companies having significant digital presence can be looked at for building long-term portfolio. One also needs to look at infrastructure and cement companies. The government spending will significantly boost this sector going forward. Some of the defense companies will also benefit over the next couple of years due to government's increased spending on defense as well as Make in India policy in defense. However, the investors, as mentioned earlier, should definitely remain focused on specific stocks and specific counters instead of adopting any top-down approach. Markets will reward patient investors, and this is the time for long-term investors to start definitely nibbling into the market.